Ultimately, you should be able to reach my limit or even cross me.
Hi guys, we will take a look today at how you can also learn to touch type if you haven't already. Let me tell you this, it will be uncomfortable at first to learn it, but once you learn it, you will be super comfortable in typing. So let's get started. Wait, let me turn on the recording. The screen recording has started. Now I will just type in touch typing learn. As per Google search, I get this result, and this is what I used when I first began to touch type. So before I move on, let me tell you my story. So for the past 15 years or so, I had been typing with two fingers. Lol. So what I did first was basically go to this touch typing club, typingclub.com website. By the way, you will find all of the resources that have helped me, and it should help you as well, in the description box below. So do check them out. Alright, let me just log in. Looks like I'm logged in. And let me go here, start. As you can see, I have completed around 173 lessons out of this. So yes, you don't need to go through all of the lessons. Just complete a little bit of the lesson until you are familiar with the finger setup. Anyway, let me scroll. Let me go to the first lesson and show you. At first, they have this beautiful video which will explain you, which will really help you to learn about the finger setup. Then the lesson begins. They're telling me to type F. Alright. They're telling me to type J using my right index finger. And I'll continue using enter. Alright. Then F, 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 J, J, J. Well, you get the idea, right? Then I would recommend you, after you are just familiar with the letters, forget about numbers. You will come to that later. As you get familiar with the letters, which is basically A to Z, you will go to monkeytype.com. For some reason, this website doesn't come in Google. Oh, basically, you can even follow other websites like ratatype.com, but I found this better. The user interface is really great in this particular website. So all you need to do then is just basically select this code. I know you might need to open up an account, which you can do, I'm sure, and then basically type in these codes as much as you can. Alright, just for the sake of motivation, I'm going to show you how I type now. I began this 6 months back. And also let me tell you this, I was consistent. I really used typing with, used all of my fingers whenever I sat on PC. So that's the thing. You should use 10 fingers, even if it might be uncomfortable at first, but once you learn the basic layout, forget about touch typing with 2 fingers. Use all of your 10 fingers and it should do the trick. You will learn really quickly. So at first I reached 30 word per minute within 1 week. Then I reached 50 word per minute, which was close enough to what I achieved with 2 fingers. And now I'm not really that much practicing in these websites. Let me tell you this. I'm just doing some general stuffs with PC, then even a little bit of code. I always used this 10 finger tactic. I mean, touch typing always whenever I used the keyboard. And now you can basically see how I type.
Ultimately, you should be able to reach my limit or even cross me. "79 words per minute.
The only path everything leads to is giving up!
It is easy to give up. But it doesn't suit you at all.
Yes. Thanks a lot for watching. All the very best with touch typing. I'm really sure that you will also learn to touch type if you put in the effort. Always remember, never give up. It doesn't suit you. All right. Later. Bye.